there are two questions in the specimen paper from this chapter, and both the question were asked for 3 marks. Now generally you know now what is the weightage of the weightage for each question. You can have 1 mark question. Okay, this 1 mark question will be what? MCQ question. So in a specimen paper there is no MCQ question from this chapter, but इस chapter में से MCQ वाला question आ सकता है. Okay, and generally for 1 mark question अगर MCQ आ गया तो it will be related to theta. Find the angle between two sides of a triangle, right? Then there is a 2 mark question, and then there is a 3 marks question. Now I keep on telling you all कि your paper is going to be lengthy. Last time जो physics के साथ हुआ था, this time maybe वो maths के साथ होगा, and that is quite evident if you see a specimen paper, क्योंकि जो 3 marks के लिए question है, okay, they are very lengthy question. They are very lengthy question. Okay, aeroplane, drone वगैरह ऐसे situation वाले question है. If at all you have already seen this question, you must be knowing what I am saying. Okay. So this chapter is a part of trigonometry. Two very important words you are going to get frequently in this chapter, and one of those words is angle of elevation and another one is the angle of depression. Okay. Now one very important tip that you are going to remember is that in front of your eye you will always draw a line, straight line. Okay, always at the line of your eye level. And suppose if you are looking up, now what kind of questions do you have when you are looking up? Okay, you are looking at the top of the tower or top of the lighthouse or top of the building. Okay, so when you are looking up, that is the angle of elevation. Okay, and when you are looking down, so this is a different case. What happens here? Ki already you have a building or a tower or generally a lighthouse. So what you will be doing is straight line in front of your eye level. Okay, and this line is parallel to the ground level. ये बहुत important है. Because what they will say that in a question it will be said that ki angle of depression. So they will say that this angle is 30 degree, 40 degree or any other degree. Okay. Since lines are parallel, so alternate angles will be theta, alternate angles will be congruent. Right? So this angle is of no use to us. हाँ, हमको ये वाला right angle triangle का angle चाहिए, तो using parallel lines, alternate angles are congruent, you can get this line. हाँ, उसके बाद में ये we have this formula also application. As I told you, बहुत ज़्यादा chance है, very high chance that MCQ में you will get a question to find out the theta. Okay, so there you are going to use this formula. I will be explaining you this formula with the help of the example. I think question number 1 is related to this example. Okay, now apart from all this, you will be using your log table also. When angles not standard angles, what are standard angle? By standard angle I mean theta is equal to 0 degree, theta is equal to 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. Okay, so these are standard angles. We need to remember the trigonometric values of this standard angles. Okay, if angles are not standard angle, then you are going to use the trigonometric table. In fact, ICSE का जो specimen question paper है उसमें भी एक question है where you need to use this trigonometric table. Okay, for sine, cos and tan of course. So let us start with sum number 1. A ladder 14 meter long rests against a wall. If the foot of the ladder is 7 meter from the wall, then the angle of the elevation. MCQ, in a specimen paper, MCQ question is not asked, but you can get a question like this for 1 marks, which will be MCQ type. Okay, see, this is a ground level. Always start with a ground level. Right, then there is a wall. Pay attention here. There is a wall. Always remember that a wall or a tower or a pole, that is always constructed perpendicular to the ground level. So by default you have to take this as 90 degree. If this comes as a subjective question, nobody is going to deduct your marks for not marking this 90 degree. And then we have a ladder leaning against this wall, and we have to find out the angle it makes with the ground. What are the given information? Ladder is 14 meter long and if the foot of the ladder is 7 meter. Right? This is a diagram. This is a diagram. Please pay attention here. कुछ लिखो मत, रुको. Now look here. I was talking about this question. Okay, trigonometric, corresponding trigonometric ratio is equal to unknown side upon known side. Now if you look at this diagram, we have to find out a theta. Now if you consider this right angle triangle, from this right angle triangle you know what is the hypotenuse. And with respect to theta, you also know the adjacent side. So I remember a formula, that is adjacent side upon hypotenuse. What is this formula for? Which trigonometric ratio? Sin, cos, tan, what? This is definitely cos theta, right? So cos theta is adjacent side upon hypotenuse. So cos theta becomes what? Adjacent side is 7 meter and hypotenuse is 14 meter. So 7 into 2 is 14. Therefore, can I say cos theta value is half? But in my trigonometric table of standard angle, what value of cos is equal to half? But cos 60 degree is equal to half, therefore theta is equal to what? Theta is equal to 60 degree, okay? So which answer? My correct option is option D. Fine. So here we go with the question number 2. It is related to a kite. Again an important question. There are 2 to 3 questions which are very important. Right? एक तो ये लैडर वाला इज ऑलवेज इंपॉर्टेंट. लैडर वाला में एक केस होता है मालूम है ना, कि ये ग्राउंड लेवल है एंड इंस्टेड ऑफ वन बिल्डिंग देयर आर 2 बिल्डिंग्स. ओके, एंड लैडर इज नॉट इन द मिड पॉइंट, इट इज टुवर्ड्स वन building. Okay, so it is leaning like this with the one wall and with this. Generally they ask you the width of the road and all. So related to ladder these questions are important. Apart from this, ये kite वाला question जो है that is always important. ये kite वाला. और तीसरा जो important question है, tree broken because of the wind. Okay, ये wind वाला जो है वो तो ज़्यादा ही important. Okay, let us solve this question. If a kite, now see, we will try to show this information with the help of a diagram. Let me say this is a ground level and kite is here. A kite is flying at a height of 40 root 3. So this is 40 root 3 meter. K I will write for a kite from a ground level. So how do you measure a distance between a line and a point in a geometry? With the help of a perpendicular line. This perpendicular line represents a distance between a point and a line. So distance is 40 root 3 meter attached to a string inclined at angle of 60 degree. So there is a string, but when we assume a string, we assume there is no slag in the string. अगर कभी आप लोगों ने काइट उड़ाया है या देखा है तो you know that इसमें slag होता है. But we have to assume कि this string is straight. Right, only one information will be given. Okay, what is the length of the string? So we have to find out this length. So I'll take this as L and M. Fine. Now see the use of a right angle triangle. You can use a Pythagoras theorem in a right angle triangle, but there you can use a Pythagoras theorem when 2 sides are given and you are finding out a third side. But when only one side is given and you are expect to find out the other 2 sides, then you have to use a trigonometric ratios. So here only one side is given, you have to find out the another side. ये भी find out कर सकते हैं LM, but that is not asked. Okay, we are going to find only the length of the string or the hypotenuse of a triangle. Correct? चलो solve करते हैं. Now with respect to theta, okay, given side is the opposite side and we have to find out the hypotenuse. So how do we do it? With respect to theta, given side is opposite side, that is km, upon hypotenuse, that is kl. Opposite upon hypotenuse, which trigonometric ratio? Yes, sin theta. Sin theta becomes sin 60. Km is equal to 40 root 3 meter and I have to find out length of the string, which is KL. Sin 60 is it half? नहीं, sin 60 is नहीं, sin 30 is half. Sin 60 is root 3 by 2 is equal to 40 root 3 upon KL. Okay, root 3 can be cancelled from both the sides, but I'll recommend कि सारा cancellation एक साथ last step में करो. KL will be what? By cross multiplication KL here, and you get 40 into 2, which is equal to 80 meter. So correct answer is answer A, 80 meter. What is the given answer? A. So our answer is correct. Easy. The angle of depression of an object for 75 meter high tower is equal to 30 degree. Look here word angle of depression and of an object 75 meter high tower. Let me say this is a ground level, this is a tower, and person is on the tower because we have angle of depression. So whenever we draw this diagram, always I line के सामने क्या आएगा? एक straight line आएगा, okay, perpendicular to this. And by the design of this question, this line, a normal line or a line in front of a eye, that will be parallel to a ground level. Suppose object is here and angle of depression, okay, you are looking at the at this object, let us say object A, angle of depression is 30 degree, this angle is 30 degree. But since lines are parallel, alternate angles form a English letter Z, okay, सीधा Z या उल्टा Z, okay, so this is 30, so alternate angle is also 30 degree, right? I'll take this as B and this as C. And as I've told you earlier also, when a tower is constructed, it is constructed perpendicular to the ground level. Height of the tower is 75 meter, or a person is at a height of 25 meter on a tower. Then the distance of the object from the tower, okay, so we have to find out this distance between a tower and a person. Right now, this is a tower, we can say geometrically this is a line, and object is this, point object. So distance between a line and a point is measured with the help of a perpendicular line. Have you understood? दिया तो ये 30 था, but वो right angle triangle में 30 कैसे आया? Because alternate angles are equal. Triangle के बाहर वाला angle हमारे कुछ काम का नहीं है. So you have to bring this angle inside a triangle, okay? So alternate angle, parallel lines and alternate angle. Right now, and this, जब भी depression होगा ना, angle of depression, you will be having this Z वाला angle. Every time, you cannot solve it. That is the reason I was trying to explain that in the introduction part also. So this will definitely be there everywhere, okay? बाकी simple है. With respect to 30, I have opposite side 75 and I need the adjacent side. What about this? Which sign, which trigonometric ratio, okay, which trigonometric ratio will give me opposite side upon adjacent side? Which trigonometric ratio? Opposite. हाँ, तो ये सोचना पड़ेगा. देखो जैसा सोचते हैं ना वैसा ही मैं लिख रहा हूँ, तो वो फॉलो करो. हाँ, tan 30 is opposite upon adjacent, okay, tan 30 is opposite upon adjacent. Tan 30, value of tan 30 is 1 by root 3 is equal to opposite 75 upon adjacent AB. Therefore AB on cross multiplication I get 75 root 3 meter, okay, so my option is option C. अगर सब्जेक्टिव आया ना तो यू कैन नॉट लीव दिस, ओके, यू हैव टू सब्सटीट्यूट दिस वैल्यू. रूट 3 का वैल्यू तो जनरली हमको बायट होता है, पाई का वैल्यू, रूट 3 का वैल्यू, बट स्टिल अगर बायट नहीं होगा तो यू कैन यूज योर लॉग टेबल टू फाइंड दिस वैल्यू. सो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. So this is a question, okay, this is a question and there are 4 diagrams and we have to tell कि which diagram out of this 4 is the correct one. From the top of a building 10 meter high, angle of depression of 2 ships. Angle of depression इधर तो नहीं दिख रहा है, बाकी सब में तो दिखाई दे रहा है, okay. Of 2 ships on the opposite sides are 48 degree and 36 degree. So 2 ships are on the opposite side. Look here, these 2 ships are on the same side of a lighthouse. Okay, so this diagram is wrong. So, okay, we will eliminate one by one, and even this is wrong. Why? Because both the ships are on the same side. Okay, these are wrong. One will be on this side of a tower, left side, other will be on the right hand side. Okay, so correct diagram depicting this. So यहाँ देखो, okay, if you see this and see this, so this angle of depression, a person is on the lighthouse. So this is the line in front of the eye level. Okay, this is a ground level, parallel. So alternate angles are equal. So 48, 48, right? अब यहाँ क्या है, डायरेक्टली दिया 36 एंड 48, बट कौन सा ये एंगल ऑफ डिप्रेशन शो ही नहीं किया. Okay, here it is clearly shown. Other one is 36 degrees. Again same thing. Okay, when you turn on the other side, so this is the reference line and this is a ground level, parallel. So English letter Z, but this time it is ulta. Okay, so 36 and 36. So this looks great. इसमें थोड़ा सा problem है. Okay, ये angle of depression ही नहीं दिया. Directly they have taken this, given this. So most appropriate seems to be D. Correct? Height of a tree is equal to length of a shadow. A ground level, a tree, let us say sun is somewhere here. हाँ, एग्जाम में सन को नहीं ड्रॉ करना है. Ray of a sun coming like this in a straight line. Light travels in a straight line. We have studied in physics. Okay, so this is tree and this is shadow. And as per a given information, height of a tree is equal to length of the shadow. Okay, whenever tree grows, it always grows perpendicular to the ground level. Okay, two sides are equal. Two sides are equal and triangle is a right angle triangle. So definitely this triangle is a 45, 45, 90 triangle. ठीक है? If you don't believe me, तो x लो दोनों को. Okay, then add all three x plus 90 is equal to 180 degree and solve it. You will get x as a 45 degree. So angle of elevation, okay, is a 45 degree. So in this diagram, whenever you have a 45 degree as one angle, then that triangle will be isosceles, or vice versa. If sides are equal, then angles will be 45 degree each. Okay, ये याद रखना है. Okay, next one. A 6 meter high, okay, a pole 6 meter high cast a shadow. A ground level, a pole and a shadow. Shadow मतलब क्या? सन का रेज आ रहा है इन अ स्ट्रेट लाइन. सन का रे आ रहा है इन अ स्ट्रेट लाइन. ओके, अ 6 meter high pole cast a shadow 2√3 meters along the ground. Then the sun's elevation is, so this angle you have to find. Okay, see ये वाला question आएगा. ये वाला मतलब इसके जैसा कोई, where you have to find out the angle. Now look here, which trigonometric ratios with respect to theta I have opposite side and I have adjacent side, right? So which trigonometric ratio? Tan theta. So tan theta is 6 upon √3. Pay attention here. Now this step, okay, you have learned in your 9th standard. What is that? Rationalizing the denominator. Denominator में कभी root को नहीं रखते हैं. Okay, we will never leave root in a denominator. तो √3 और √3 ऊपर नीचे multiply कर दिया. ठीक है? तो suppose ये 2 यहाँ cancel नहीं किया. So what are we getting? 6 into √3 upon 2 into √3 is 3. So 6 and 6 get cancelled. So answer is √3. Which value of tan is √3? So that is 60 degree. Okay, so theta is equal to what? 60 degree. Watch out for this question. ये theta वाला. This will definitely come. The length of a shadow of a tower is √3 times its height. Very nice question. The length of a shadow of a tower is √3 times its height. तो मैं height को क्या करता हूँ? x लेता हूँ. Okay, तो shadow आता है √3x. Fine. I have to find out angle of elevation. Okay, so from this point, if I am looking at the tower, okay, so what is the angle of elevation? That is what I have to find out. फटाफट diagram draw कर लेने का. Okay, drawing a correct diagram is half the battle won. अगर आप लोग डायग्राम नहीं ड्रॉ कर पाते हो मतलब क्या है, आपको ये चैप्टर ही नहीं समझे, आप लोग समझ, एक तो समझ में नहीं आता या दूसरा होता है समझ कर नहीं लेना है। ओके, सो विच कैटेगरी डू यू फॉल, दैट यू डिसाइड, बट नाउ वी आर इनटू 7th क्वेश्चन। ओके, तो अभी स्पीड इंक्रीज होना चाहिए। सो विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू थीटा, ओके, कौन सा ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक रेशियो यूज करो, देखो इतना इजी है, और तुम मेरे क्वेश्चन पूछने के बाद में सोचना शुरू करोगे तो दैट इज बैड। क्लास में बैठे हो ना तो सोचते रहो ना, हाँ कैसे सॉल्व कर रहे, ये ऐसा सब बोलता ना, ऑलवेज वेयर योर थिंकिंग कैप। ओके, विद रिस्पेक्ट टू थीटा वी हैव ऑपोजिट साइड एंड द एडजेसेंट साइड, सो माय ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक रेशियो is tan theta, which is opposite side x upon adjacent side √3x. X and x get cancelled. That means value of tan which I get is 1 by √3. Now ask yourself, what is the value? Which value of tan is 1 by √3? What?
30 degree.
It's 30 degree. So my theta or angle of elevation is 30 degree. Answer is B. Correct? So very easy. Okay, it's worth 1 mark. Next question, question number 8. As I told you, this question is 30, 60, 90 triangle. We have a right angle triangle ABC. Angle A is 30 degree. Angle B is 90 degree. So obviously, sum of the three angles of a triangle is 180 degree. So third angle will be 60 degree. Okay, angle B is 90 degrees, so angle C will be 60 degree. AC, hypotenuse is 8 centimeter. Look here, I was talking about this. See, I was talking about this. You know hypotenuse 8 centimeter. It is not given, but side opposite to 30 will be half of hypotenuse. मतलब आएगा ये 4 centimeter, and side opposite to 60 will be what? Okay, यही वैल्यू आता है उसके आगे √3/2 इंटू हाइपोटेन्यूज, तो सेम वैल्यू विल कम, आगे सिर्फ √3 आएगा. सो व्हाट इज द एरिया ऑफ अ ट्राइंगल? एरिया ऑफ अ ट्राइंगल इज हाफ इंटू बेस 4√3 इंटू हाइट विच इज 4, सो 2 इंटू 2 is 4, so 8√3 centimeter square is my answer, ये वाला. So if you know, if you study something additional theorem आते रहेगा तो you can directly find the answer. But चलो हम लोग इसको traditional method से solve करते हैं. हाँ, तो these two sides are not given जो blue से लिखा हुआ है. So what I will do is I will say sin 30 is opposite side, which is the opposite side BC upon hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is what? AC. Sin 30 is half. It is BC upon 8. Okay, ये blue में लिखा हुआ given नहीं है. That is what I am trying to find. When I cross multiply, I get 8 upon 2 is equal to BC. That is BC is equal to 4 centimeter. In same manner, we will try to find out. We will try to find out AB. Okay, so AB is the adjacent side with respect to what? 30 degree. With respect to 60, this is the opposite side. Okay, so sin 60, you can take cos 30 also. Sin 60 is equal to what? Opposite. That is AB upon hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is AC. Sin 60 is √3/2 is equal to AB. I have to find out that, and hypotenuse is given as 8. Therefore, AB is equal to 8 into √3 upon 2. So 2 into 4. So 4 √3. And finally come here. Okay, area of a triangle is equal to half into base into height. So base is 4 √3 and height is 4. On solving, you get answer as 8 √3 centimeter square. ओके, ये ट्रिग्नोमेट्री जो आप लोगों को अभी है सेमिस्टर 2 को, सीबीएसई को जो है वो सेमिस्टर 1 में था और उनके एग्जाम में ये क्वेश्चन आया था. हम लोग सीखते रहे ना. मेन रीजन क्या है, क्या आज क्या पढ़ा, हाँ ये ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक टेबल पढ़ा, हाँ कल करूंगा, मैं परसों करूंगा, तो वो पेंडिंग रह गया. देन नेक्स्ट डे न्यू, ओके, सब पेंडिंग रह जाता. Now question is same. Instead of area, they are asking us BC. BC is side opposite to what? Okay, right angle triangle. Angle B is 90 degree. Angle A is equal to 30 degree. and AC is equal to 8 centimeter and you have to find out BC. If you use my method, कि side opposite to 30 is half of hypotenuse, so directly you can get your answer. Okay. By the way, अगर traditional method से करना है तो क्या, with respect to 30 opposite side I have to find out and given side is hypotenuse. So opposite upon hypotenuse is what? Sin theta. Sin theta is equal to half. BC I have to find out hypotenuse 8 or BC is equal to 1 into 8 upon 2. So this will become 4 centimeter is the answer. Correct? Or else directly also you can take. क्या आप लोग बता सकते हैं ए बी कितना होगा? 4 into root 3. ओके, पहले किया था हम लोगों ने. Okay, here comes the important question, that is a broken tree. Okay, see here, ground level and this is tree. Because of wind, this tree is broken. Right, जरा ध्यान दो इधर. And what happens कि this broken part, ये वाला part, half of the part is still intact, लेकिन ये गिर गया ऐसा ground के ऊपर. Okay, this part is broken and falling like this. The top of the broken tree has its top touching the ground at a distance 10 meter from the bottom. If angle made by the broken part with the ground is 30 degree, then length of the broken side, okay, length of a broken side means either you can find out this or this, both are one and the same. Obviously हम लोग ये find out करेंगे ये वाला side. Let us say we can find out AC because that is a part of a right angle triangle, but AC is equal to this part. If I take this as C, I will take this as C dash, symmetry of this. Both are equal because ये broken part, tree टूट कर जो है ये ऐसा गिर गया. Okay, so when intact part or a broken part, they will have a equal length. Okay, very important question. Now again what I see is a side opposite to hypotenuse I have to find out. ठीक है, and side adjacent side, okay, या side opposite to 60 degree I have. तो उससे भी आप लोग कर सकते हो, but we will do it systematically. With respect to 30 degree, I know the adjacent side and I have to find out the hypotenuse. So adjacent side upon hypotenuse, which trigonometric ratio? Cos 30. And what is value of cos 30?
3/2.
Cos 30 is equal to root 3 by 2. BC is equal to 10. AC I have to find out. Okay, so when I cross multiply or when I use rule of 3, तो AC के against वाला value go in the denominator. Unknown value. Okay, ये दोनों numerator में आएगा 2 into 10. Always remember, never ever keep root sign in the denominator. So in 9th standard in chapter surds, we have studied this, rationalizing the denominator. Fine. क्या आंसर ऑप्शंस देखने ना हमको. Have a look at the options also. So what do we have? AC is equal to 20 root 3 upon 3. Do we have this option? No, I think this will be the answer. Don't solve it further. Don't solve it further. Okay? Don't do this. हाँ, ये तो फाइनल एग्जाम में अगर सॉल्व करना है तो, बट दिस ऑप्शन इज नॉट देयर. यही ऑप्शन दिया 2 into 10 is 20 upon root 3. So no need to rationalize here. You will get option as option B. Unit will be meters. Next question. 11th one. In the given figure, if angle of elevation is 60 degree and the distance AB is 10 root 3. Look here, this value is 10 root 3 meters. Then what is the height of the tower? We have to find out the height of the tower. Okay. So with respect to 60 degrees, okay, what do I know? Okay, I know the adjacent side and I have to find out the opposite side. Opposite side is BC and adjacent side is AB. Okay, so trigonometric ratio is tan. Tan 60 is equal to BC upon AB. You can also take cot. Cot 60 will be reciprocal of this. Right? So tan 60 का वैल्यू है √3 is equal to BC upon AB. AB is 10 √3. So when you cross multiply √3 into 10 √3 is equal to BC. That is BC is how much? 10 and √3 into √3 is 3. So 30 meter. Do I have this option? Yes, C. Option C is the correct answer. Next question. ये तो orally भी बता सकते हो आप लोग. Can you tell me orally? Hypotenuse is 6 centimeter. You need side opposite to 30 degree. So side opposite to 30, sine 30 is half. So side opposite to 30 will be half of hypotenuse. Half of 6 is 3. Okay, but if we are solving by a traditional method, then I have to find what? BC. Opposite side. Opposite side is BC and hypotenuse is AC. Opposite upon hypotenuse means sine 30. Sine 30 is half. BC is what I am interested in and AC is 6. Therefore, by cross multiplication, I get 1 into 6 upon 2 is equal to BC. That is BC is equal to 3 centimeter. My answer. Fine. यहाँ से थोड़ा क्वेश्चन का ये थोड़ा डिफिकल्ट क्वेश्चन है बट ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड दिस इजीली कर सकते हैं हम लोग नॉट अ बिग डील ओके नाउ ऑलरेडी डायग्राम इज गिवन सो वी आर नॉट वरीड अबाउट रीड्रॉइंग दिस डायग्राम सो हियर सर्च फॉर द इक्वल साइड और द कॉमन साइड ओके रिमेंबर ऐसे क्वेश्चन में व्हेन यू हैव मोर देन वन ट्राइंगल्स search for either a common side or a equal side. देखो यार two poles of equal heights. There are two poles whose heights are equal. So these heights are equal. Two poles of equal heights are standing opposite to each other on either side of a road. So AB is a road and let us say on one side of the road we have a pole and on the other side we have a pole BD and on this side AC. And road is 80 meter wide. Road is 80 meter wide. The angles of the elevation to top of the pole are 30 degree and 60 degree. So you are standing somewhere in the middle of the road. Okay, और एक building को देखते हैं angle of elevation is 60 degree. You turn and you look at the another building, angle of elevation is 30 degree. ठीक है? Find the height of the pole and the distance of the pole from distances of the point from the two poles. So three things we have to find out. One is height and then this distances. Okay, these three things we have to find out. But अगर एक को ही देखेंगे तो सबका value different है. Even you find out one, it is as good as getting the entire answer. MCQ का ये एक advantage है. Right? We will solve the entire sum. But that's what I was telling. Okay? Entire side is 80. Correct? What I will do is I will take AP as X and the entire segment is 80. So isn't this side PB 80 minus X? Have you understood this? X and 80 minus X. Now height let me assume as H. Height let me assume as H. Now look at 30 degree. कुछ नहीं करना है. Simple है. ये H equal है ना. तो you have to frame two equations for H. H फिर equate करके you will get the answer. This is H, that is H. So with respect to 30, H is the opposite side and X is the adjacent side. Opposite and adjacent is tan. So tan 30 is equal to what? Opposite side H and adjacent side X. Tan 30 is 1 by √3 is equal to H by X. Therefore can I say H, as I said कि H equal side है तो H के लिए equations बनाओ, X के लिए नहीं. H is equal to X by √3 meter. This is my equation number 1. In same manner, I will also take I will also take tan 60. Now look here, with respect to 60, tan is opposite side, h, upon what? Adjacent side, which is 80 minus x. Tan 60 is what? Root 3 is equal to h upon 80 minus x. That means on cross multiplication, what do I get value of h as? Is it 80 root 3 minus root 3x? देखो 1 mark का क्वेश्चन है इतना बड़ा. हाँ, I have opened the bracket. Okay, let this be my equation number 2. So from 1 and 2, what can I get? From 1 and 2, if I look at equation number 1, left hand side is h. In equation number 2 also left hand side is h. So if these two values are equal, their right hand sides are also equal. Let me not open the bracket here, I will keep it as it is. I will keep this as 80 minus x into root 3. I am not opening the bracket, okay? Why am I not opening the bracket? अभी आप लोगों को पता चलेगा, okay? See this. Now h का right hand side है x by root 3 and second equation में h का right hand side है 80 minus x into root 3. Now when you cross multiply, okay, root 3 into root 3 will become 3. किधर लिखो? No space. X is equal to 60, okay? X is a distance of a point from one tower. तो 60 किधर किधर है? हाँ, distance this B में. फिर भी हम लोग डबल श्योर हो जाते हैं. What is h equal to? H is equal to x upon root 3. Okay, x upon root 3. x कितना मिला था? 60 अपॉन रूट 3, राइट? तो रूट 3 को ऐसे ही नहीं रखना, हमको क्या करना है? रैशनलाइज करना है. कैसे रैशनलाइज करेंगे? इंटू रूट 3 इंटू रूट 3. ठीक है, रूट 3 इंटू रूट 3 बन गया 3, रूट 3 इंटू रूट 3 इज 3, सो 3 इंटू 20, तो हाइट इज 20 रूट 3. ओके, ये वाला. और दूसरा क्या है? 80 माइनस एक्स, 60 था, 80 माइनस 60, सो दैट इज 20. हाँ, तो ये तीसरा वाला है. सो करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज बी. नाउ नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज रिलेटेड टू रमेश एंड सुरेश एंड दीज नेम्स आर वेरी पॉपुलर. जब आधार कार्ड बनाया तो ये पता चला इंडिया में सबसे ज्यादा नाम जो है कॉमन नेम, ओके, बहुत सारे लोग हैं जो रमेश नाम के. मतलब बस में जाओ और जोर से चिल्लाओ रमेश, 2-3 लोग तो पीछे मुड़कर देखेंगे. और सेकेंड पॉपुलर नेम वाज सुरेश. नाउ लुक हियर, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, रमेश एंड सुरेश. A diagram is given, so you need not worry about the diagram. Ramesh and Suresh mud forts have height 8 centimeter. Okay, this blue line is the height of the fort and it is constructed perpendicular to the ground level. And the other height, okay, height of the other fort is 15 centimeter. This is also perpendicular to the ground level. They are 24 centimeter apart from one another. 24 centimeter apart from one another. How far is the fort stopped from each other? Okay, this x, this is what you have to find out. Now see, whenever you have this, दूसरा भी question आता कि दो पोल है, उनको ये rope से tie किया, what is the length of rope and all. So already most of the part is solved here. So if you take a construction like this, ये 90 बन गया. So what we see is a rectangle. 3 angles are 90 degrees, so fourth angle is also 90 degree. Angle sum property of a quadrilateral. When you add 4 angles of a quadrilateral, total is 360 degrees. So if this is 24, this will also be 24. This is 8, entire segment is 15. So this is 15 minus 8, which is equal to 7 centimeter. Right? Now what we need to do is concentrate on this right angle triangle. We have to concentrate on this right angle triangle. Okay, do you know Pythagoras triplet? One side is 24 centimeter, other is 7 centimeter. How much will be hypotenuse? Do you know about this Pythagoras triplet? क्या होगा last वाला side? 7, 24 and 25. Okay, so 25 must be the answer, right? अगर एमसीक्यू है, पूरा स्टेप्स नहीं चाहिए, डायरेक्ट आंसर चाहिए, तो यू कैन राइट दिस, बट अगर सब्जेक्टिव पेपर होगा तो आप लोग क्या कर सकते हो, सो शुड यू यूज अ पाइथागोरस थियरम और व्हाट, क्योंकि एंगल के बारे में कुछ दिया ही नहीं है, तो यूजिंग पाइथागोरस थियरम इक्वल टू 25 सेंटीमीटर, और एल्स इफ यू नो दी पाइथागोरस ट्रिपलेट, और ये पाइथागोरस ट्रिपलेट सबको आना चाहिए क्योंकि ये फ्रीक्वेंटली यूज पाइथागोरस ट्रिपलेट. नाउ लुक एट दिस क्वेश्चन नंबर 15 एंड क्वेश्चन नंबर 16. स्टार मार्क है, स्टार मार्क मतलब क्या, ये स्पेसिमेन पेपर का है. P इज द ऑब्जेक्ट जिसको शूट कर रहे, शूट कर रहे हैं मतलब शूटिंग कर रहे हैं, ओके, रिकॉर्डिंग वगैरह कर रहा है, मे बी P इज समवन, ओके, कोई इवेंट वगैरह है, and drone camera is at point R and which is looking at this, okay, ये ड्रोन कैमरे से इसको शूट कर रहे हैं, एंड एंगल ऑफ डिप्रेशन ऑफ द कैमरा इज 35 डिग्री, ओके, 35 डिग्री. वेन एवर यू हैव एंगल ऑफ डिप्रेशन, तो वो एंगल वैसे तो हमारे काम का नहीं होता है कुछ, क्योंकि वो ट्राइंगल के अंदर नहीं है, ओके, बट वी नो दैट दिस लाइन, अ रेफरेंस लाइन ड्रॉन इन फ्रंट ऑफ द आई लाइन एंड दी ग्राउंड लेवल, दे आर पैरेलल टू वन अनदर. ये कभी कभी ग्राउंड लेवल होता है, कभी कभी वाटर लेवल भी होता है, ओके. सो ऑल्टरनेट एंगल्स आर इक्वल, सो दिस एंगल विल बी 35 डिग्री. फाइन. नाउ दिस कैमरा इज रेज्ड फ्रॉम आर पॉइंट टू एस, और शूट किया है, ओके, या इस पॉइंट को देखा है, तो एंगल इज 60 डिग्री. अगेन सेम थिंग, एंगल ऑफ डिप्रेशन. Generally this angle is of no use to us, so we use a geometrical property कि this line is parallel to a ground level or a water level. Fine. So angle forming Z or Z, so these angles, okay, English letter Z ये equal होता है, so this big angle, हाँ ये देखो Z, so this angle will be 60 degree. So we have two angles, 35 degree and 60 degree. What is the advantage of taking alternate angles? So you get a right angle triangle, okay, you get a right angle triangle, that is the advantage, or right angle triangle में we can use trigonometric identities. Now this distance PQ is 50 meters. Distance PQ is 50 meter. Find the distance between RS. Find the distance between RS. This is the distance which we have to find out. By property of betweenness, what we see, point R is between point Q and S. So if I have to find out RS, okay, if I have to find out RS, what I will do is, first I will find QS, then I will subtract QR from this. Reason is Q dash R dash S. Q dash R dash S means R is between Q and S. So to find out RS, you will take the big segment QS and you will subtract QR, right? Now using trigonometric values, this 35 degree and 60 degree, we will find out QS and QR. So how to find out QS? Where is QS? First of all, you have to decide कि QS is a part of which right angle triangle. So I'll start with the name of that right angle triangle. Can you tell me QS is a part of which right angle triangle?
QPS.
Right angle QPS. Can we say this is a bigger triangle out of two right angle triangles? Okay, this angle is 90 degree. Because height is measured perpendicular to a ground level. It cannot be measured obliquely. Obliquely means any angle other than the 90 degree. Okay. So triangle we are going to consider is triangle PQS. In triangle PQS, we have one angle which is 60 degree. With respect to 60 degree, now we will take a ratio. This ratio will be, okay, one will be known part and another will be unknown part. One will be known side and another one will be unknown side. Known side is the adjacent side, PQ, and unknown side is this QS. So opposite side is QS and adjacent side is PQ. So what? Tan 60. Tan is opposite upon adjacent side. Tan 60 is root 3. QS is the unknown side and PQ is 50. So on cross multiplication you get QS is equal to 50 root 3 answer will be in meter, but we will not keep incomplete answer. This is 50 into 1.732. Tell me what is the answer. So 0 is carried forward. 5 into 2 is 10, 1 carry 15, 16, 35, 36, 8 decimal point after 3 digit. So 86.60 meter. I am taking 2 digits after the decimal point. Fine. Okay, now we will take the other triangle, the smaller one, that is triangle PQR. In triangle PQR, which angle I have? 35. So tan 35. Opposite side of 35 is QR and adjacent side is PQ. Tan 35 value you have to see from a trigonometric table. तो tan के पेज पर जाओ, यहाँ से 35 पर आना और यहाँ से 0. See which is the number. ये number होगा. Okay. So value in a table is 0.7002 is equal to QR. That is what I have to find out. Okay. पहले ही मैंने decide किया था ये दो find out करना है. तो QS का value मिला. I want QR upon PQ, which is equal to 50. Therefore on cross multiplication I get QR as what? So this is 0. 5 into 2 is 10. 1 carry 5 into 0 is 0 plus 1 1. 5 into 0. 7 into 5 is 35. Decimal point after 4 digits. That means I can write QR is equal to 35.01 meter. So I have both the values, QS as well as QR. This is what I am going to substitute here. QS I got as 86.60 minus 35.01. What is the answer? 0.59. Correct. 60 minus 1 and 6. Okay, 51.59 meter, but we want the answer in nearest meter. Nearest meter means what? We don't want decimal point. So 1.5. Okay, 59 है, 9 को कट करेंगे 5 बनेगा 6. 6 को कट करेंगे 51 will become 52. So this answer is 52 meter. So there is a printing mistake here, not 50, it is 52 meters. Right? And aeroplane, ये भी देखो डिप्रेशन वाला ही है. दोनों क्वेश्चन है स्पेसिमेन पेपर में, that gives us depression. Okay, this is a ground level. Aeroplane is flying. Now see, initially aeroplane is at point A. After some time, okay, it travels from point A to point B, and time taken and speed at which it is traveling, that is 160 meter per second. Right, that is the speed. And we are somewhere at point, which point? एंगल कम हो गया ना, देख रहे थे पहले 60 था फिर 45 हुआ. सो लेट अस से वी आर समवेयर हियर एट पॉइंट सी एंड द एंगल ऑफ एलिवेशन इज 60 डिग्री. दिस एंगल इज 60 डिग्री. एंड वो जब बी के पास पहुंचा तो एंगल ऑफ एलिवेशन, दिस एंगल इज 45 डिग्रीज. 45 डिग्रीज. ओके, give your answer to the nearest second. Find क्या करना है? Find the time. Okay, looks difficult लेकिन है easy question है. Time, it is distance upon speed. Time is equal to distance upon speed. Distance नहीं पता हमको. Speed है 160. So distance means what? Distance means we have to find AB. Okay? अभी अगर distance, okay, ये distance देखेंगे. देखो स्पेसिमेन का 3 मार्क्स का क्वेश्चन है, 3 मार्क्स 4.5 मिनट में सॉल्व करना है. ओके, दिस बिकम्स अ राइट एंगल ट्राइंगल. लेट मी टेक दिस पॉइंट एज डी एंड दिस इज द राइट एंगल ट्राइंगल. दिस इज पॉइंट ई. क्योंकि राइट एंगल ट्राइंगल के बगैर हम लोग इसको सॉल्व नहीं कर सकते. प्लीज कीप दैट इन माइंड. विच ट्राइंगल आई एम कंसिडरिंग इन ट्राइंगल. ट्राइंगल का एग्जाम में नाम नहीं लिखोगे तो भी चलेगा. राइट? Angle is what? In triangle ACD, angle is 30 degree or 60 degree. It is flying at a height of 3000 meter. Okay, तो ये भी 3000 है और ये भी 3000 है, both. Okay, is it 30 or 60? 60 ना in triangle ACD, बड़ा वाला angle. So I know opposite side 3000 और मुझे find क्या करना है, distance find out करना. Okay, तो CD I'll find. Okay, so opposite and adjacent means tan. Tan 60 is root 3 is equal to AD 3000 अपॉन CD I'll find out. तो ये क्रॉस मल्टीप्लीकेशन से CD आएगा 3000 अपॉन रूट 3. Rationalizing the denominator. Never ever keep root in denominator with root. Okay, so therefore CD is how much? 3000 root 3 upon root 3 into root 3 is 3. So this becomes 1000. CD is equal to 1000 root 3. Root 3 I could substitute but मैं नहीं substitute कर रहा. Okay, मैं एक ही बार substitute करूँगा for accuracy. Now see which triangle am I considering? बड़ा वाला right angle triangle CBE, BCE alphabetic order. So tan 45 degree. अच्छा tan 45 मतलब क्या, ये भी 3000 ही होगा. Isosceles triangle ना 45 degree. But anyway करते हैं. Opposite side is BE and I have to find out adjacent side, that is CE. Tan 45 is 1 which is equal to 3000 upon CE. Therefore CE is equal to 3000 meter. Okay, now distance DE, again property of betweenness, DE is equal to CE minus CD. Therefore DE is equal to 3000 minus 1000 root 3. 1000 common ले लो. So this is what? 1000 into 3 and this root 3. Correct? So 1000 into 3.000 minus 1.732. How much? So 1000 से multiply करेंगे तो 3 digit आगे shift हो जाएगा point. So 1268 meter. This is distance. I have to find out time. Look here. Time, as I wrote over there, कहीं लिखा था, हाँ लिखा है देखो. Time is equal to distance upon speed. Distance is 1268 upon 60. Which table? 4 में जाएगा? I think yes. 4 into 3 is 12. 4 into 1 is 4. 4 into 7 is 28. 4 into 4 is 16 and 0. ठीक है? तो ये कट कर दिया और पॉइंट ले लिया. So now what I have to do is पेंसिल से करो राइट साइड में. हाँ राइट साइड में करो. It's very important. 31.7 divided by 4. 4 into 7 is 28. Is remainder 3. हाँ तो this point और 7 नीचे आया. 4 into 9 into 4 into 9 is 36. Right? ये तो terminating type ही आएगा, but I am getting answer as 7.9 something, but I want answer in nearest minutes, nearest seconds. So time is 8 seconds. 7.9 nearest second is 8 seconds. Correct na? Use pencil and do your working on the right hand side. Why? देखो इधर. Why? अभी अगर आप लोगों ने इधर मल्टीप्लिकेशन या सब्ट्रैक्शन करेक्ट किया बट समहाउ यहाँ लिखते वक्त मिस्टेक किया ना, तो एज पर द काउंसिल रूल आपको फुल मार्क्स मिलता है. तो वट एवर यू आर फेयर वर्क राइट विद द पेन, और ये माइनस मल्टीप्लाई डिवाइड डू इट विद द पेंसिल. A man standing on a bank of a river. Okay, so what I do is I draw this base level and let us say this is a river. And man is standing where? On the bank of the river. राइट. ये रिवर है तो मैन इज स्टैंडिंग वेयर. सपोज लेट अस से रिवर है ए बी. So let us say man is standing here at B and observe bank of a river, observe that angle of elevation of a top of a tower. On the other side of a river there is a tower. Generally tower वगैरह नहीं होता, ये ट्री होता है, बट टावर दिया है, क्या कर सकते हैं. हाँ, AC is let us say a tower. And when a person observe this tower, okay, elevation में कुछ problem नहीं होता, directly you get a diagram or a right angle triangle. When you have angle of depression, then that Z alternate angles वाला concept use करके you have to bring that angle into a right angle triangle. Okay. So angle of elevation of a top of a tower was found to be 60 degrees. Then he goes back. He moves 50 meter away. Okay. So he is moving from point B. He is walking back and he is moving to a point D. नाउ टेल मी, ये एंगल जो है वो इंक्रीज हुआ कि डिक्रीज हुआ? इज दिस, इट हैज डिक्रीज. दूर जाते तो एंगल जो है वो डिक्रीज हो जाता है. सो दिस एंगल हैज डिक्रीज फ्रॉम 60, इट हैज बिकम 30. राइट. नाउ योर विजुअल्स, whenever a tower is constructed or whenever a tree grows, it grows perpendicular to a ground level. Okay, so this angle is 90 degree. So it is your observation. Here we have two right angle triangles. One is triangle ABC, which is a right angle triangle, a smaller triangle, and other triangle is ADC, a bigger one, bigger right angle triangle and smaller right angle triangle. Anyway, दोनों triangle भी 30, 60, 90 है. This is 90, this is 60, तो third angle will be 30, 90 and 30, तो third angle will be 60. But anyway, इस 30, 60, 90 triangle से ऐसा कुछ हमको benefit नहीं मिलने वाला. Okay? हाँ, this is important. ये point is very very important. He is walking 50 meters away. तो ये question बहुत important है. Okay? What we have to find out? Width of the river. So first thing which I have to find, first I have to find is width of a river. Any idea? Can you tell me width of river is which geometrical part? Okay, so is it AB?
Yes.
And by property of betweenness, what is AB equal to? Point B is between A and D. Point B is between A and D. So
AB minus
yes, AB is equal to what? AD माइनस बी डी. 10th में आए हो तो दिस लाइक इतना तो आना ही चाहिए आप लोगों को. ए डी माइनस डी बी. ओके, सो व्हाट आई हैव टू डू? सिंपल, ए डी फाइंड आउट करो, प्लग इन दैट वैल्यू ओवर हियर, देन फाइंड आउट बी डी, पुट दैट वैल्यू हियर. अच्छा, बी डी तो फाइंड नहीं करना है बिकॉज बी डी इज ऑलरेडी वी नो इट इज 50. सिर्फ ए डी फाइंड आउट करके यहाँ डाल देंगे तो वी गेट द आंसर. करेक्ट. ए बी फाइंड आउट करने के लिए विच ट्राइंगल डू आई कंसिडर? वी विल ट्राई टू राइट दिस नेम इन अल्फाबेटिक ऑर्डर. सो ए बी सी लुक्स बेटर देन ए सी बी और एनीथिंग एल्स. ओके, इन ट्राइंगल ए बी सी आई हैव 60 डिग्री. ओके, तो कौन सा ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक एंगल्स? ओके, ये सोचना पड़ता है. ओके, सो ऑपोजिट साइड इज व्हाट? ए बी. When I take opposite side upon adjacent side, my trigonometric ratio is tan. Tan 60. Value of tan 60 is √3. Is equal to AC भी नहीं मालूम है, AB भी नहीं मालूम है. ओके, चलो हाइट को मैं क्या कंसिडर करता हूँ? H ले लेता हूँ. ओके, हाइट ऑफ अ टावर. हाँ, which again I have to find out as question number 2. So H upon AB. AB is my common side. H is a common side, so I need equation for H. So what is H equal to? On cross multiplication I get H is equal to AB √3 and unit is meter. Okay, this is my equation 1. I will be coming back to this equation. और एक ट्राइंगल लेते हैं. दो ट्राइंगल है हमारे पास, राइट एंगल ट्राइंगल. सो इन ट्राइंगल फर्स्ट वी टुक 60 डिग्री. 30 वाला ट्राइंगल है, ट्राइंगल ए सी डी. ओके, हियर tan 30 डिग्री इज ऑपोजिट साइड. 30 का ऑपोजिट साइड इज AC अपॉन एडजेसेंट साइड इज AD. Tan 30 is 1 by root 3. This is H. And what about AD? AD is 50 plus AB. Is it 50 plus AB?
Yes.
So on cross multiplication, what do I get? Okay, I get H is equal to 50 plus AB upon root 3, isn't it? हाँ, क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन से ये उधर चलेगा. ओके, and this is my second equation. Look at equation number 1 and equation number 2. Both the equations are for H. This is what I was talking about. This was a tip I was giving. Whenever you have multiple triangles, okay, concentrate more, focus more on this common side. So common side we have taken as height H. Okay, so from 1 and 2, from 1 and 2, AB root 3 is equal to what? 50 plus AB upon root 3. कुछ जगह है नीचे? Okay. So when I cross multiply, what I get? Root 3 into root 3 is 3. 3AB is equal to 50 plus AB. Is it correct? Yes. Root 3 into root 3 is 3. So 3AB minus AB is equal to 50. So 3 minus 1 is 2AB is equal to 50, dividing both sides by 2. Therefore I can say AB is equal to 25 meters. AB is equal to 25 meters. This is my first answer. Second answer is what I have to find out is the height. तो उसके लिए मेरे पास इक्वेशन है. What is that equation? H का equation. Okay, we have two equations. Let us take this one. Looks easier. AB root 3. So 25 AB into root 3. Root 3 is 1.732. How much? 25 into 2 is 50. 0, 5 carry. 25 into 3 is 75. 0, 8 carry. 25 into 7 is 175. 175 and 8. 175, 183. 18 carry. 25 and 18. Decimal point after 3 digits. So answer is 43.30. Okay, तो 0 को जाने दो, point के बाद वाला 0, they are insignificant values. So 43.3 meters. क्या right है answer? I think yes. As observed from a top of a 80-meter lighthouse, the angle of a depression of two ships on the same side. Now two ships can be on different sides also, but वो किसी और सब में. यहाँ पर ये लाइट हाउस है, यहाँ पर एक शिप नहीं है, दो शिप है. लेट अस से शिप 1 is at position A and another ship is at position B and person is standing on a lighthouse. ओके, यहाँ से देख रहा है, लाइट हाउस इधर है, तो रेफरेंस लाइन यहाँ से देख रहा है ये शिप के पास, तो आग के सामने. ओके, एट द आई लेवल यू हैव टू ड्रॉ रेफरेंस लाइन, राइट. एंड व्हाट इज अ थियरी? ये रेफरेंस लाइन और ये हमारा पैरेलल होता है. Then what happens? Angle of depression will be outside the right angle triangle. Using that property Z, alternate angles are equal. उस एंगल को हम लोग क्या करेंगे? ट्राइंगल के अंदर लेकर आएंगे. टावर इज 80 मीटर. इन अर्लियर सम दिस H, हम लोगों ने इसको H लिया था, हमको H मालूम नहीं था, बट यहाँ H इज 80 सेंटीमीटर. अब यहाँ क्या दिया है? एक शिप 30 डिग्रीज, अदर शिप इज एंगल ऑफ डिप्रेशन इज 30 डिग्री एंड 40 डिग्री. तो आई इवन डोंट केयर कि क्या होगा, डायग्राम से ही पता चलेगा. एक एंगल बड़ा है, दिस विल डेफिनेटली बी 40 डिग्रीज. ओके, ये एंगल 40 डिग्री होगा, एंगल ऑफ डिप्रेशन. alternate angles are equal, so I have to bring this angle inside a right angle triangle. So 40 का alternate 40. When that person look at this ship, I'll change a color. This angle is smaller. Yes, this angle is smaller. ये angle 30 डिग्री होगा, छोटा है because reference line से 30 डिग्री. Okay, so Z तो ये ज़रा ध्यान दो कि कौन सा बड़ा है। बहुत बार स्टूडेंट्स लोग मिस्टेक क्या करते हैं, छोटे वाले एंगल को 40 लेंगे और बड़े वाले एंगल को 30 लेंगे, सो पूरा उनका आंसर नेगेटिव आता है। फाइंड द डिस्टेंस बिटवीन टू शिप्स, सो दिस इज व्हाट यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट। फाइंड द डिस्टेंस बिटवीन टू शिप्स। अगेन आई विल टेल यू, ये कॉमन साइड एंड विच इज गिवन। हाँ, ये लाइट हाउस इट इज कंस्ट्रक्टेड परपेंडिकुलर टू द ग्राउंड लेवल। फाइन, तो हमको ए बी फाइंड आउट करना है और ये डेसिमल पॉइंट में नहीं चाहिए, डायरेक्टली चाहिए हमको। ओके, ए बी, आई विल नेम दिस एज सी एंड दिस पॉइंट एज डी, करेक्ट। तो वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट डिस्टेंस बिटवीन टू शिप्स। तो कैसे करेंगे, डोंट गिव अ सेकेंड थॉट। एक याद रखो, ये कॉमन साइड ही आप लोगों को आंसर देने वाला है। तो वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट ए बी। ठीक है, पहले बी सी फाइंड आउट करेंगे, फिर ए सी फाइंड आउट करेंगे एंड देन वी विल ट्राई टू गेट द आंसर, राइट। सो आई विल स्टार्ट विद अ स्मॉलर ट्राइंगल, क्योंकि स्मॉलर ट्राइंगल ओके दोनों में एक एक साइड दिया है एंड वी नो दैट पाइथागोरस थ्योरम, राइट एंगल ट्राइंगल में दो साइड, ओके टू साइड्स आर गिवन एंड यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट थर्ड साइड, सो पाइथागोरस थ्योरम। But if only one side is given and if you want to find out other two sides, remaining two sides, so trigonometric ratios. हाँ, तो यहाँ एक ही साइड मालूम है। In this sum we know only one side, so we are going to use a trigonometric ratio. So I'll start with a smaller triangle. So smaller triangle में 40 का opposite and 40 का adjacent. So tan 40. Tan 40 is equal to opposite side. Opposite side is CD. If you want, you can start with the name of a triangle also. Okay, that will be more informative. So triangle is triangle BCD. Opposite is CD and adjacent is BC. Tan 40, table में से check करो if this answer is right or not. Tan 40, is it 0.8390? क्या करना है आप लोगों को, यहाँ नंबर्स दिया हुआ है। हाँ, tan वाला, tangent वाला क्वेश्चन है। सो 40 इधर से देखना है और इधर से 0 वाला एक वैल्यू है। सो दिस वैल्यू है, इज इट 0.8391 है क्या? ओके, ठीक है। सो विल टेक 91, फाइन, नॉट 90, वी विल टेक 91। ओके, सो 0.8391 CD is 80 upon BC. Okay, therefore BC is equal to what? Should I divide this? कि रुको थोड़ा, बाद में डिवाइड करूँ। 80 अपॉन 0.8391। देखो 3 मार्क्स का क्वेश्चन है एंड यू हैव टू डू ऑल दिस, इट्स गोइंग टू टेक अ टाइम। आई विल जस्ट वेट, कुछ कैच है क्या, कैन आई अवॉइड डिविजन एंड ऑल? ओके, आई विल चेक दैट। और यहाँ तो स्पेस छोड़ दिया, आई विल सी दैट, विल कम बैक टू दिस। Now what? Another right angle triangle. In this right angle triangle, बड़ा वाला right angle triangle, tan 30 is opposite side. Opposite side is CD upon adjacent side. Adjacent side is AC. Correct ना? Adjacent side is AC for right, bigger right angle triangle. Okay. So tan 30 is 1 by root 3. CD is 80 upon AC. On cross multiplication, you get AC as 80 root 3. Okay, so AC is equal to 80 multiplied by 1.732. So here already I have a 0. 8 into 2 is 16, 1 carry, 8 into 3 is 24, 25, 2 carry, 7 into 8 is 56, 258, 5 carry, 8 and 5 is 13, decimal point after 3 digit. ठीक है, what I have to find out AB, right ना? तो AB is AC minus BC. Okay, I have to find out AB. So AB is equal to AC minus BC. Why? Because point B is between A and C. A dash B dash C. Reason में लिख सकते हो आप लोग. Okay. So AC मिला मुझे 138.56 minus BC. BC looks complicated. चलो डिवाइड करते, वी हैव नो अदर ऑप्शन. ओके, सो BC, therefore BC is equal to what? If I remove a decimal point, decimal point से मल्टीप्लाई डिवाइड करना विल बी वेरी डिफिकल्ट. सो ये 4 zeros, decimal point was after 4 zeros from right hand side, तो 4 zeros इधर आ गया. ओके, So this is what 8 lakhs divided by 8391. So my answer is 95.34. 95.34. 6 minus 4 is 2, 5 minus 3 is also 2, 8 minus 5 is what? 3, and 13 minus 9 is what? 4. So AB, distance between two ships. Words में पूछा तो final answer try to write in words. Distance between ships is equal to nearest meter चाहिए. Point के बाद 2 है. Number smaller than 5. So 43 meter. Correct ही I think. Yes, 43 meter. चलो. An airplane at an altitude of 250 meter observe the angle of depression of two boats on the opposite bank. Okay, यहाँ देखो. क्या बहुत जल्दी जल्दी पढ़ा मैंने. So ये aeroplane is here. Correct. Aeroplane is here. And let us say river is something like this. So this is not a ground level. This is river. River AB, bank of a river. Okay, the passage. Okay, जो जहाँ से पानी flow होता है. So that bank. Okay, this is this. A and B is a bank of a river. And airplane at an altitude, height is 250. ये कॉमन साइड होने वाला. ओके, दिस साइड इज गोइंग टू बी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट विच विल गिव यू आंसर. एंड सिंस दिस इज एरोप्लेन और नीचे देख रहे हैं तो वी विल ड्रॉ रेफरेंस लाइन एंड दिस रेफरेंस लाइन इज पैरेलल टू आवर बेस लाइन. ओके, सो एज पर द क्वेश्चन एरोप्लेन में से एक बार लेफ्ट टर्न करते हैं, इसको देखते हैं, एक बैंक को दूसरे बैंक को देखते हैं. ओके, एंड एंगल ऑफ डिप्रेशन इज 45 and 60. 45 and 60. दिस इज ABC and this reference line I'll take as D and E, so it will be easy for us to name the angle. तो इसमें से एक एंगल 45 है, एक 60 है. कैन यू टेल मी विच इज बड़ा एंगल एंड छोटा एंगल. ओके, आई विल गो फ्रॉम द आंसर. डेफिनेटली ये वाला बड़ा एंगल है 60 डिग्री. डू यू एग्री यार. ये छोटा वाला है क्योंकि ज़्यादा डिस्टेंस है 45. हाँ, सो ये 60 होगा बिकॉज ऊपर से देखना है ना मुश्किल हो रहा था. ओके, इट इज़ नॉट क्लियर, तो आई थॉट विल टेक फ्रॉम हियर. बट एंगल ऑफ डिप्रेशन इज 60 डिग्री. एंगल ऑफ डिप्रेशन ट्राइंगल के बाहर होता है और ट्राइंगल के बाहर होने की वजह से वो हमारे काम का नहीं है, तो उसको ट्राइंगल के अंदर लाना है. ओके, सो विच प्रॉपर्टी वी यूज. ऑल्टरनेट एंगल्स बिटवीन पैरेलल लाइन्स आर इक्वल. सो दिस 60 एंड दिस 60. दिस इज 45 एंड दिस इज 45. राइट. And common side is what? A, B, C, D, E, F. CF is a common side. Okay, find the width of the river. Write your answer in the correct nearest whole number. Nearest whole number decimal point में नहीं चाहिए, तो समझ लो कुछ लंबा डिफिकल्ट होने वाला है. Now see 45 degree this 45 degree. Okay, triangle is right angle triangle. 45 45 90 triangle BCF is 45 45 90 triangle, isosceles triangle. So if this is 250, this is also 250 meter. पेपर अगर लेंदी और आपको लग रहा है कि कंप्लीट नहीं हो रहा है तो टेक डायरेक्टली या लिख सकते हैं एक स्टेटमेंट में एक रीजन लिखो आइसोसेलेस ट्राइंगल बोलकर. ओके, सो दिस इज 250. फिर एक ही फाइंड आउट करना है. ट्रिग्नोमेट्री से भी कर सकते हैं इसको, बट आंसर विल बी सेम. tan 45 लेना है. tan 45 का वैल्यू क्या होता है 1. सो 1 से जब आप लोग 250 मल्टीप्लाई करोगे इट विल बी 1. आई एम स्टार्टिंग विथ विच ट्राइंगल. ओके, इन ट्राइंगल ACF क्या लेना है मुझे. ऑपोजिट और एडजेसेंट साइड. ओके, आई हैव टू फाइंड आउट. बाय द वे आई हैव टू फाइंड आउट AB या बैंक ऑफ अ रिवर. विड्थ ऑफ द रिवर. width of river AB. And what is AB equal to? AB is equal to AF plus BF. As of now I know BF is 250. AF find out करना है मुझे. Okay, so in triangle ACF tan 60 because opposite side or adjacent side. Okay, one known another unknown. Tan 60 is CF opposite side. अपॉन एडजेसेंट साइड इज AF, वही तो चाहिए मुझे. सो tan 60 इज √3 CF 250 अपॉन AF, CF 250 अपॉन AF. So by cross multiplication what I get is AF is equal to 250 upon √3. डिनोमिनेटर में √3 नहीं लिखना है तो रैशनलाइज करना पड़ता है. बट लेट्स सी रैशनलाइज, अच्छा रैशनलाइज ही करना पड़ेगा बिकॉज वी ऑलरेडी हैव 250, ये वैल्यू चाहिए. हाँ, इसको डिवाइड मत करो, रैशनलाइज करेंगे. AF इज इक्वल टू वॉट 250 अपॉन √3 into √3 into √3. Okay, this step is called rationalizing the denominator, and we have learned this step in 9th standard in chapter irrational numbers. So this is 250 √3 250 into 1.732 upon √3 into √3 is 3. See here, थोड़ा भी आइडिया करेंगे. वेट, मल्टीप्लाई मत करो कि 3 से डिवाइड करते. 3 के टेबल में 1 नहीं जाता है तो 0 पॉइंट वॉट 3 इंटू 5 इज 15. 17 माइनस 15 रिमाइंडर इज 2. 3 इंटू 7 इज 21. अगेन रिमाइंडर इज 2. अगेन 7. सो मल्टीप्लाई 250 एंड 577. ओके, 0 कैरी फॉरवर्ड. 25 इंटू 7 इज 125. 12 कैरी. बताओ क्या आता है आंसर? 25 इंटू 577. डोंट वरी अबाउट डेसिमल पॉइंट, विल टेक केयर ऑफ दिस एट द एंड. व्हाट इज द आंसर? और जो मैं करता हूँ ना उसको ध्यान दो, बिकॉज एक्यूरेसी, आई एम ट्राइंग टू बी एज क्लोज टू आंसर एज पॉसिबल. हाँ, मिला किसी को? अरे कितना टाइम लगता है, तुम लोग करते नहीं हो. तुमको बैठे बैठे आंसर रेडीमेड चाहिए. सर करेंगे, हाँ सर को एग्ज़ाम देना है ना, सर करेंगे और हम लोग ये करेंगे. अरे कितना टाइम लगता है? 577 इंटू 25. ओके, 5 3 35 and 3 38. 25 28. 14 1 carry 15 10 11 5 12 14 14425. करेक्ट? करना है, लेकिन कहाँ करेंगे आप लोग? ओके, आप लोग कहाँ करेंगे? आपको तो सर करके देंगे. 14425. ओके, डेसिमल पॉइंट इज आफ्टर 3 डिजिट फ्रॉम द राइट हैंड साइड. हैव आई पुट 0? यस. हाँ, 250 का. So this is 144.25 मीटर. ठीक है. एंड 250 का स्टेप्स अभी तक दिखाया नहीं हम लोग, तो यहाँ लिख लेते हैं. सी, ये शॉर्टकट वाला बता रहा हूँ मैं आप लोग. ओके, ट्राइंगल BCF is 45 डिग्री 90 डिग्री ट्राइंगल. Therefore BF is equal to CF. ओके, साइड्स ऑफ आइसोसेलेस ट्राइंगल. हाँ, ट्रिग्नोमेट्री यूज नहीं कर रहे तो ये शायद टाइम बच जाए. Therefore BF is equal to 250 मीटर. How much? 0.2549394.25, but we want as a whole number, so 394 meters. Is it correct? Yes. whole number में चाहिए तो पॉइंट नहीं चाहिए. हाँ, या 3-4 आया हमको, या I don't know why. Okay, we want in the nearest whole number, so 394. From a top of a hill, the angle of depression of 2 consecutive kilometers to due east are to be found 30 degree and 45 degree. 45 डिग्री आया तो समझो एडवांटेज है. ओके, थोड़ा टाइम बचेगा. आइसोसेलेस ट्राइंगल. फाइंड द डिस्टेंस बिटवीन द 2 स्टोन्स. अभी किया वैसा ही है. हिल, फर्स्ट माइलस्टोन, माइलस्टोन बाय द वे मालूम है ना क्या होता है? किलोमीटर स्टोन, माइलस्टोन भी बोलते हैं इसको. हाँ वो जो वेन एवर यू ट्रैवल वहाँ पर एक स्टोन होता है. इफ़ यू आर ट्रैवलिंग समवेयर दिल्ली तो लिखा होता है 70 किलोमीटर 71 72. ओके दिस स्टोन it is also called a milestone. So angle of depression, so we have to draw a reference line and you are looking at point B. 30 degree and 45 degree. बड़ा वाला angle 45 and छोटा वाला 30 degrees. Anyway, depression, angle of depression, lines are parallel. So Z वाला, so this is 30 and बड़ा वाला 45. ठीक है, so alternate angles. This angle is 90 degree. What is a catch? See here. क्या बोला है? 2 consecutive kilometer stone. तो ये distance will be 1 kilometer. So what I have to find out? Distance between two stones from the foot of the hill. This is C and D. So I have to find out two things. One is what? AC, distance of first stone from the foot of the hill, and second one I have to find out is BC. हाँ दूसरे स्टोन का जो है डिस्टेंस फ्रॉम द फुट ऑफ द हिल. ए का डिस्टेंस फ्रॉम सी एंड बी का डिस्टेंस फ्रॉम सी. राइट. तो अगेन अ टिपिकल क्वेश्चन कि यहाँ पर जो है 2 राइट एंगल ट्राइंगल है. ओके 2 राइट एंगल ट्राइंगल है. सो व्हाट एम आई डूइंग इज कॉमन साइड, जैसे मैंने बताया वेन एवर यू हैव 2 राइट एंगल ट्राइंगल्स, कॉमन साइड, ये टिप था मेरा उस वक्त, ये कॉमन साइड विल गिव यू आंसर. दिस कॉमन साइड विल गिव यू आंसर. सो दिस इज एच. ओके कॉमन साइड आई टेक एज एच. तो इफ दिस इज एच, देखो ना ये 45 45 90 ट्राइंगल है. आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट ट्राइंगल ए सी डी. सो दिस इज ऑल्सो एच. एम आई राइट? ए सी इज एच. एंड व्हाट अबाउट बी सी? बी सी इज एच प्लस 1. तो इफ आई गेट एच आई विल गेट माई आंसर. तो लेट मी फ्रेम 2 इक्वेशंस फॉर एच और दोनों को इक्वेट करता हूँ मैं. आई मस्ट गेट माई आंसर. सी हियर. ओके इन 45, अभी टाइम अगर बचाना तो ऐसा लिखते हैं. इन 45 45 90 ट्राइंगल. डिग्री बोलते नहीं है लेकिन लिखते हैं 45 डिग्री. हाँ डैश को भी नहीं बोलते हैं, लिखते हैं बट बोलते नहीं. ओके 45 45 90 ट्राइंगल. व्हाट इज नेम ऑफ दैट ट्राइंगल? ए सी डी. ओके आई एम राइटिंग डायरेक्टली ए सी इज इक्वल टू लेट. ओके एच भी लिया तो ये इक्वल है बाय बिकॉज ट्राइंगल इज 45 45 90 ट्राइंगल. ए सी इज इक्वल टू व्हाट? डी सी. एंड लेट लिखा. आई हैव टेकन दिस एज एच मीटर्स. ओके एज एच मीटर्स. यूनिट नहीं लिखेंगे तो चलेगा, एच ही लिख दो सिर्फ एज एच मीटर. ओके नाउ अनदर ट्राइंगल दैट इज इन ट्राइंगल बी सी डी. tan 30 degree is equal to opposite side h upon adjacent side which is h plus 1. therefore यहीं पर मिल जाएगा 1. ये भी ज़रूरत भी नहीं था. अच्छा ये h के लिए ज़रूरत था. ओके दिस इज व्हाट 1 upon √3 is equal to h upon h plus 1. लिसन हियर. वन वेरिएबल एंड वन इक्वेशन. तो बस दिस इज सेल्फ सफिशिएंट. इसमें से मेरा आंसर आना चाहिए. व्हेन आई क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई व्हाट आई गेट? √3h is equal to h plus 1. √3h means 1.732h. वैल्यू ऑफ √3 is equal to h plus 1. ये वैल्यू लेंगे, अगर वो दूसरा वैल्यू लेंगे अगर कुछ दिया होगा तो. ओके सो व्हाट यहाँ h आकर माइनस बन जाएगा. ओके 1.732h माइनस 1h. पॉइंट नहीं है तो पॉइंट लेकर 30 लिया. इज इक्वल टू व्हाट? इज इक्वल टू 1. ओके व्हेन यू सब्ट्रैक्टेड दिस इज व्हाट? 0.732h is equal to 1. Therefore, what is h equal to? h is equal to 1 upon 0.732. हाँ so this will be what? Decimal point निकालेंगे नहीं तो cancellation, correction, division will be very difficult. Upon 732. It is possible to reduce this further 2 के टेबल में वगैरह. तो पहला इसको छोटा करते हैं. So 4 में भी जा रहा है. ओके 4 into 1 is 4 remainder is 3, 7 minus 4 is 3, 4 into 8 is 32, 1, 4 into 3 is 12, and 4 into 25 is 100 and 250. और भी कट होगा 3 में या something? No. So is this final? Should I consider this is a final? Okay, I have to do a division. So 250 divided by 183. So into 183. On subtraction, what do you get? 10 minus 3, 7. 14 minus 8, 6.0. 3, 9, 8 into 3 is 24 to 5. How much? 70 minus 49, is it 51? 31? 21, 1, 2, 1. Okay, 0 we can take. Now what? Point के बाद 3 digit तक तो जाएंगे at least. हाँ? One two 10 1000, and this is approximately close to what, 200, 2 into 6, so it should be 6 something. 6 into 3 is 18, 1 carries, 8 48, 49, 4, 10, 0 and 10. So 10 minus 8 is 2, 1, 10. 10 minus 9 is 1, 112, 0. Again 1005. Okay, same number आएगा फिर से 1098. हाँ, so this is 6. I think this much is enough. क्या किलोमीटर है ना, यूनिट भी हमको सोचना पड़ेगा. ओके, सो h is what, 1.366 किलोमीटर, बिकॉज वो माइलस्टोन जो है वो किलोमीटर वाला है. एंड दिस इज व्हाट, 1.366 प्लस 1, पॉइंट नहीं है तो पॉइंट लेकर 3 zeros. सो दिस इज 2.366 किलोमीटर्स. ओके, सो दीज आर 2 आंसर. ओके, एक में क्या फाइंड आउट करने का था? एक में फाइंड आउट करना, एक ही फाइंड आउट करना है. फाइंड द डिस्टेंस बिटवीन द 2 स्टोन्स. अच्छा, 2 डिस्टेंस ऑफ 2 स्टोन्स, AC एंड BC फाइंड आउट करना है. ओके, so distance of first stone from the foot of the hill is 1.366 kilometer, दूसरा वाला 2.366 kilometer. Okay, this was last sum and mark this sum as a important sum. ये boards में पूछा गया था.